So we can go together. 1, 2, 3, go! Yay! Hello and welcome to a braiding video. I'll be doing really jumbo box braids all myself, and of course you're gonna need some hair, shine and jam, and a bunch of combs. And because I do not like to waste any time, I'll be separating and just prepping the hair before I start braiding. I do not braid my hair very often, hence I do not have a braiding rack, so I'll just be using the towel rack. And I also parted my hair the day before because I do not like to do it the day of braiding because it takes so much time, and I also did get help from a friend, so thanks friend. I am not a professional braider, this is just how I do my hair. These are probably the quickest braids I've ever done on myself, and I did the crochet method up top. I think the crochet method is pretty good for people who struggle with gripping. So you just use a crochet needle to slide the braiding hair underneath and just separate your hair in 3 and start braiding. This was actually my first time using a crochet needle, and it was so easy. Anyone can do this. All you do is just hook your hair and then just slide the crochet needle underneath and just pull one side, making sure that both pieces are the same length. You don't want one side to be shorter than the other. And of course you add as much hair or as little hair as you want depending on the size of your braid. And because I was doing jumbo box braids, I added about 3 pieces of braiding hair to, make my braid really jumbo. And right now I'm just trimming some flyaways because I do not want a fuzzy braid. I don't want my braids looking like they're about 10 days old when I just did them, so this step is extremely necessary. And of course, the final step, I am dipping the ends of the hair in hot water to seal the braid because I don't want it coming undone. And that's the final look. I really like how they turned out. This entire braiding process took me about 4 hours and it was so easy. Anyone can braid, trust me. I do hope you enjoyed the video and thank you so much for watching. Bye.